Hey guys, what's going on? It's your Anthony, and Elise actually came to me. She's like, "Hey Junior, let's do a brand new challenge, something no one's doing." So most people seeing this are probably super afraid of actually being on video, recording yourself. You don't know what to say, you don't know what to do. So I want to challenge everyone seeing this to be able to do something. So what do I do when I'm stressed? What I don't do when I'm stressed is a better question, right? When people are stressed, they resort to overeating and they resort to very toxic behaviors like cigarette smoking and alcohol drinking, the things that will literally destroy their lives. So that's what I don't do. So when I'm stressed, what I do is I focus a lot on building. Right? Like everyone will tell you, like when I'm pissed off, I get shit done. But whenever I'm stressed, I'm pissed off. Because I believe my life should be a life of abundance and freeness. And if you're stressed, pretty much it shouldn't be there. Because life is simple. Right? So what I feel like I do best the most when I'm stressed is literally just put my head down and focus on like the bigger problem, the bigger task that I have to accomplish. Depression is a myth. The reason why you're depressed is because you don't have the thing that you want, right? I used to be depressed when I didn't have the life I want. I had the money, but my girlfriend didn't want me because I didn't have money. My girlfriend didn't want to introduce me to her family because I didn't have money. I was depressed. I was sad. I didn't have anything. I wasn't doing anything to change my life. But now that I control my destiny, I can control my outcome. This beautiful hotel that I'm at right now, this beautiful gym, I choose how long I'm going to stay here for. Like I'm literally going to be staying here in Mexico for an entire month. And pretty much what I'm saying to you is this. Whenever I'm stressed, whenever I'm depressed or whatever, I don't even have the opportunity to become depressed. Because I control my outcome. I control my life. I have power. And that's the problem when most of you guys feel depressed. It's because you're powerless. You don't have the ability, or you feel like you don't have the ability to change the outcome. But I want to show you, I want to tell you guys, not too long ago I was homeless and I also felt those feelings. I'm telling you, those feelings don't matter once you're focusing on your goal, the bigger picture. So you don't have time to be depressed. You don't have time to be unmotivated. You don't have time to be sad. You just have time to get your goals and accomplish, go after things, make things happen. Right? Like I brought my team to Mexico, and the people, there's two different types of people from that group. Right? There's the people that's not doing shit, and there's the people that's fucking hungry doing shit. The people that's not doing shit, they're depressed because they want to come back here. They want to come back here, but they're not doing enough to be back here. So they get depressed. So they don't feel like they can control it. But for the people that are actually taking the right actions, getting the results, showing up every single day, they're empowered, they're motivated, because they know that they can actually get this. Alright? So your depression, for the ones that's depressed, comes from your lack of being able to control your outcome, control your life. Change that, get everything that you want. What would I tell the people that have negative self-talk? I believe you should have been on this treadmill for 10 minutes now already. Shit. Alright, so for the people that have negative self-talk, what I would say is this. You need to be around some bigger, better people. Because your negative self-talk, it literally comes from the people that you surround yourself around. Now, why do I say this? If you're around a bunch of people that only spoke life into existence, only spoke power, only speak accomplishments, you don't sit down and complain, then you're not going to have that behavior. right? Now, a lot of behaviors of negative self-talk, those things are taught to you, whether it be by parents, whether it be by some childhood friends. Like, most of those things are taught to you while growing up. But see, if you change your environment, you change your surroundings, you change your support group, right? That negative self-talk, it soon evaporates, and you start building something called confidence, right? Confidence is your ability to confide in yourself. And most people don't have confidence in themselves, they lie to themselves. So, if you want to be able to eliminate that negative self-talk, you need to be able to be honest with yourself, confide in yourself, have confidence in your abilities. If you have confidence in your ability to do things, then that literally negates negative self-talk, right? Because now you know what you're going to accomplish. You have no need to have negative self-talk. Make sense? How do I get confidence? I accomplish more shit. It's simple. Right? That's good. I feel like, like for me right now, my accomplishments for this month of August came from a vision that I had back in March and April. But I told myself I wanted my team to be able to make enough money so that they can afford to come, spend some time, and start at Mexico. It's $2,000 night hotel in Mexico. I told myself, if I can figure out a way to help all these people make enough money to be able to spend at least a week here in Mexico, I would feel like I'm really doing something with my life, because not only am I helping them make money, but I'm showing them brand new experiences, brand new things that they've never experienced before. And I'm showing them that it's completely attainable if they work hard for it. Not even work hard, I guess work smart. Because what we do is not hard, it's very easy actually. So, my confidence comes from, right now I'm here in Mexico, again like I said, staying here for an entire month, maybe even longer. My confidence literally comes from my ability right now to not only accomplish that big goal, right, but be able to show even myself that something like this is normal. Staying in a beautiful resort is normal. It's nothing new. It's normal. And you can do the same exact thing. Going for those big, audacious goals and make those things normal. Normalize success. Normalize your accomplishments. Normalize getting those hard things done. Right? And that's the problem. You want. Until you turn it into a need, that's all it would ever be, a want. A dream, a hope, a wish. You guys are not making the things that you want, you're not making it a priority. You're not making it a thing. Most people say, hey, I want to do this, but your actions does not reflect that. You still get mad at certain shit that you shouldn't get mad at. You still complain about things that you shouldn't complain about. If your goal is so important, would those small things that you're complaining about really mean anything in the grand scheme of your goals? The things you say that you want. But now if you flip it, you said that you need it, and you desperately need it, you're not gonna have time for any of that bullshit. Right? For me, if I need to make sure that something gets done, I do it no matter what. No matter how I feel, I show it. No matter whether I'm having a good day or a bad day, I show up and I do what's necessary to get that thing that I said that I need. The problem is that most of you guys treat your goals like wants. And if it's something that you want, then it's okay if you don't have it. But if it's something that you need, you're gonna do whatever it takes to get it. So let me give you an example, like oxygen. You need oxygen, you'll do whatever it takes to get oxygen, right? But your favorite soda, right, whether it be Sprite or Coca-Cola, that's a want. And you'll only get it when you feel it, right? You're not going to be drinking it every day or every minute as you'll be taking the oxygen that you need. So just think of it like this. The problem is that you're treating your goals like wants, not treating your goals like needs. You know that it's something that you need, and you program your mind to just accomplish the things that you need to accomplish, you're able to do anything that you want. If you treat it as a want, or I just want to do this thing, I'm not going to accomplish shit. I'll ask them, how long are you willing to keep lying to yourself? I'll ask them, hey, what did you do yesterday? Is the actions that you did to yesterday congruent to your want to making $10,000 in a month? It's all actions, no result. Let me give you an example. $10,000 a month is literally only $1,000 every 3 days. $1,000 every 3 days is about $334 every single day. That will get you $10,000 in a month. Now ask yourself every single day, did I do what was necessary of me to be able to make $350 for that day? If your answer is no, then you're not serious about your goal. You're just fucking around. You just want to say something that sounds cool. The truth is, saying something that sounds cool is going to get you to your goal. You make a decision of what you want. If you're going to let your regular day-to-day life get in your way of what you want, what you're trying to accomplish, that's a bad excuse. You're always going to fail. All right, come on. All right. Whew.
Hey.